Are you struggling to make ends meet every month? Do you feel like you're trapped in the rat race of the middle class? If so, you're not alone. Many people are victims of money traps that rob them of their wealth, making it impossible to achieve their financial goals. Failing to avoid these traps is detrimental to your financial health and can keep you dependent on a paycheck. But the good news is that you can break free from this cycle by avoiding these middle-class money traps, especially the top 8 that we will show you. Hello 101 community, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explain the middle-class money traps that will keep you broke forever. Many people function on autopilot, unaware of simple actions that prevent them from creating the wealth they want. With this video, especially by avoiding trap number 1, you can break free and achieve the lifestyle you desire. Let's start with the first trap, not knowing what you're invested in. Learning the basics of investing is essential for a comfortable retirement because the majority of your assets over time will be the result of interest from your investments. Therefore, it's crucial to know what you're investing in and the pros and cons related to other options. Listening to friends and family who aren't financially stable or blindly taking the advice of a financial professional is gambling with your future. Just imagine 2 situations where you invest $10,000 and continue investing $500 per month for 30 years. With a 7% annual return, the total amount would be $682,000. But with a 10% annual return, the total amount would be just over $1,260,000. That's a $578,000 difference, which could be what you're missing out on if you're parking your money in the wrong investments. The second trap is actively trading. Attempting to beat the market by purchasing speculative investments and buying and selling during various market movements is a losing strategy. It's possible for skilled individuals like Warren Buffett and hedge fund manager Peter Lynch to outperform the market. But with investment fees, taxes, and emotions working against you, this is extremely difficult to do consistently. If you can merely match the S&P 500, which will return you an average of 10% annually, you'll be doing better than most investors. Timing the market by selling when the market peaks and buying at the bottom is tempting, but this is also more difficult than it sounds. When people attempt to do this, they become focused on short-term fluctuations instead of keeping their long-term goals in mind, which is what they should be doing. The third trap is no tax planning. One of the best strategies for maximizing your money is focusing on your largest expenses, such as transportation and housing, but taxes are often your largest expense of all. Because of this, it makes sense to take note of what the rich do and maximize your tax situation, so you're not paying more than necessary. There are many ways to legally reduce the amount you pay in tax, which include retirement accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and Roth IRAs. Real estate investments are also favorable when it comes to taxes. Mortgage interest, insurance, and expenses help to reduce your taxable income, and the property can be depreciated further, reducing your tax liability. How you earn the money is also a big piece of the puzzle. Business owners have many opportunities to reduce their taxable income through expenses and write-offs, while employees are limited in this way. Learning to maximize your tax situation by working with a CPA will help you hang on to much more of your income, sometimes 20–30% or more. The fourth trap is being unwilling to make changes. If you're not willing to make occasional changes to improve your situation, you could be missing out on huge amounts of growth. It's normal to fear change because people want to be comfortable. They don't want to enter into the unknown. However, change can be necessary to avoid stagnation and achieve success. It's important to be open-minded and flexible, and to regularly evaluate your strategies and tactics. If something isn't working, be willing to adjust and try something different. Remember, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Don't fall into this trap. Be willing to make changes, even if it's uncomfortable at first. It could be the key to unlocking your potential and achieving your goals. Trap number 5. Not having an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are a fact of life, and not having an emergency fund to fall back on can put you in a difficult financial situation. It's recommended to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses set aside in an easily accessible account. This way, if an unexpected expense like a car repair or medical bill comes up, you won't have to go into debt or sell investments to cover it. Trap number 6. High interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control and leave you with a hefty balance that's difficult to pay off. Paying off high-interest debt should be a top priority, as the interest charges can add up and make it difficult to get ahead. One strategy for paying off debt is the debt avalanche method, which involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimal payments on other debts. Trap number 7. Not saving for retirement. Many people put off saving for retirement because it seems like a far-off goal. However, the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. One way to save for retirement is through a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. These accounts allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, meaning you won't have to pay taxes until you withdraw the money in retirement. And finally, trap number 8. Lack of financial education. Perhaps the biggest money trap is a lack of financial education. Without knowledge about personal finance and investing, it's easy to fall prey to scams or make poor financial decisions. Educating yourself about money management and investing can help you avoid common pitfalls and make informed decisions about your finances. So there you have it, the top 8 money traps to avoid. By being aware of these traps and taking steps to avoid them, you can improve your financial situation and work towards achieving your financial goals. Dear 101 community, remember, financial success is within your reach, and it starts with taking control of your money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial education content. Also, do not forget to check out the links in the video description. Watch our video appearing on the screen. We are sure this will also help you on your path to financial education.